Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Pubg and navigating straight to Account Settings. This is where the phone link lives. Once in Settings Basic, choose Account and tap Phone Number. You need your active SIM in the same device or a reachable number for SMS verification, because Pubg will send a one-time code. Make sure your network is stable and notifications are enabled so the verification message arrives without delay. Now tap Add or Link Number to request the verification code and move to the next step. You should enter the proper country code and then your full phone number. Accuracy matters because the SMS will go exactly to that number. Once you request the code, watch your Messages app. Some phones autofill the code into Pubg automatically. If not, manually type the digits shown. After entering the code, tap Confirm. The app validates the OTP server side, which may take a few seconds. If verification succeeds, Pubg will display a confirmation. This completes the secure link between your account and phone. Once the app confirms, return to account to verify the phone shows as linked. This prevents future login issues and helps account recovery. If you need to change or remove the number later, use the same phone number menu to unlink and relink with a new number. If the SMS never arrives, first try Resend, confirm the entered number and country code, and check network or SMS blocking settings. If problems persist, contact Pubg support with your account ID and the steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.